professionally. Remember that learning doesn't stop once you leave the university. Keep seeking out new knowledge and skills that will help you in your chosen career or personal pursuits. Even making mistakes and experiencing failures are learning opportunities, so do not allow this to discourage you. Trials are a natural part of any journey, and they can be both challenging and frustrating. However, it is equally important to remember that these obstacles can be overcome with the right mindset and approach. At this moment, I want you to take a moment and look at your parents, your guardians, and families sitting in the bleachers. Tingnan niyo maigi yung inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Tuwang-tuwa sila dahil hapon natin. Can you not give them a warm round of applause? Congratulations to your parents and guardians. These people have sacrificed so much to support you in reaching your dreams. I know that they are what kept you going. Dedicate this success to them. In your own ways, tell them, this is for you, dear parents and guardians. You are an integral part of the success of our graduates, and because of that, I want to congratulate you on a job well done. To the university administration and my dear faculty, you have my deepest gratitude. Without your expertise, passion, and dedication, USEP would not be able to deliver the kind of quality education and services that we have promised to our stakeholders. I salute you for all that you do. This year, USEP finally has its first batch of Juris Doctors in this campus. In 2 years, we will confer our first batch of Doctor of Medicine graduates in Tabo Mabini campus. We are the first state university in the Davao region to offer these programs. In response to the government's mission to address issues in the country such as the shortage of doctors and the lack of quality and affordable legal assistance, especially for those in need. I am telling you this to highlight that USEP, as an esteemed university in the Philippines, is one of the vanguards in making a positive impact on the community. As I contemplate these achievements, my emotions well up within me, for these programs serve as a testament to my sincere commitment to our beloved USEP, which has been my cherished home for over 4 decades. I am filled with gratitude and a touch of sentiment as I have been blessed with the opportunity to confer the first batch of Juris Doctors before concluding my tenure as USEP President in November of this year. This year's graduation ceremony is also very meaningful because we have several graduates of the university across campuses through the College Education Behind Bars program, a partnership among USEP, the Social Entrepreneurship Technology and Business Institute Incorporated, and the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. For Obrero campus, we have 3 graduates. 1 is still in jail, while the 2 are now gainfully employed. The SEB program is a testament to USEP's culture of inclusivity and equity. We also have several graduates who are from the various groups of indigenous peoples in the country, having graduates who are part of the IP groups and persons deprived of liberty, who have special educational needs, who reside in geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas, and who belong to those with low social